They say lightning doesn't strike in the same place twice, but our friends at Skeeter Emergency Vehicles have figured out how to make it happen 3 times. Now let's check this thing out. So this is the third new product built by our friends down in Texas at Skeeter Emergency Vehicles. This is their new UTV ambulance, and for the third time they chose a full FireTech package. Here you see our Version 1 warning lights flashing, along with the G25 surface mounts. Here in a second you'll see the FireTech MiniBrows, the work lights, and even a sub-aqua undercarriage light for a full, great lighting package. They put a lot of thought into this, how they wanted to light this thing up, and they continue to choose FireTech products. So as we walk around, check it out. If you have any questions, reach out to Skeeter Emergency Vehicles. If you want to see more FireTech products, reach out to a FireTech team member, and I will see you in the field. Thanks.